Waxwings are among the most enchanting birds, admired for their striking appearance and fascinating behaviors. Belonging to the family Bombycilidae, waxwings are found primarily in the northern parts of North America, Europe, and Asia. Waxwings are medium-sized songbirds with smooth, silky plumage. Their name derives from the wax-like red tips on their secondary feathers, resembling the wax used in sealing letters. These wax tips are more prominent in older birds, suggesting that they may play a role in signaling maturity and fitness to potential mates. They also sport a crest on their head that can be raised or flattened depending on their mood. Their tail feathers are often tipped in yellow, while the belly of a cedar waxwing may exhibit a soft yellow to white gradient, and a Bohemian waxwing's belly may show hints of cinnamon brown. Waxwings are incredibly social birds, often seen in large flocks. They are nomadic, moving from one place to another in search of food. Their flocks can range from small groups to hundreds of individuals, particularly in winter when they are foraging for food. They are particularly fond of berries from juniper, hawthorn, rowan, and crabapple trees. Waxwings have a remarkable digestive system designed to process large quantities of fruit. Waxwings are late breeders compared to many other bird species. They usually begin nesting in late spring or early summer, after the main fruiting season has begun. Both parents share the responsibility of incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. A typical waxwing clutch contains around 4 to 6 eggs, which hatch after about 2 weeks. The chicks are fed a diet rich in insects initially, as protein is crucial for their rapid growth. After fledging, the young waxwings join their parents in learning to forage for berries. Though waxwings are not known for their melodious songs, they have a unique way of communicating with each other. Their calls are soft, high-pitched trills that can easily go unnoticed unless you're listening closely. Waxwings are partially migratory, meaning their movements depend on food availability. In winter, they move southward from their breeding grounds in search of berries. Bohemian waxwings, for instance, often migrate from their breeding areas in northern Europe and Asia to more temperate regions during the colder months. Cedar waxwings, which breed in North America, migrate from northern areas such as Canada to warmer regions in the southern United States or Mexico. Waxwings are remarkable birds, both in appearance and behavior. Their elegant plumage, social nature, and fruit-driven lifestyle make them a joy to observe.